Well, armoires, they're not just beautiful pieces of furniture. They're fancy and functional. Our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is here to tell us what makes our armoires so useful. Now, you said you have a lot of armoires in your house, and I know there's nothing in your house that doesn't serve a purpose, right?
Well, you know, I do have a family.
They're useful. They're useful. So tell us what makes armoires such a great piece of furniture to have in your home.
Okay, so the great thing about armoires and hutches is that you can create centers, you can create extra storage. They're not just for wardrobes, they are for storing things. And so this first picture here that you're going to see is the art center in our home. And my children use this as their arts and crafts center. And so you can do this also with games and puzzles. You can do it with memorabilia. The point is you just grab a hutch or an armoire and you outfit it with a specific category of things.
You know, I like this. I hear armoire and I think antique and grown up, but this is so playful and fun.
It is. That's exactly right. And so what we're doing is we're using a piece of furniture in a new and fresh way from maybe what it was intended. Now this next one is actually a way to display your collections. I love teacups. I love fine china. And so this armoire is actually in my own kitchen, and I've displayed my pretties in it. But I chose one that has slatted doors so you can see into it, but it keeps the teacups safe. So if you have collections, a lot of folks I've found have them in boxes and in the basement. Get them out and enjoy them and put them in an armoire.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's like a piece of artwork. Okay, now linens.
Yes,
for storage.
So the next thing is, okay, you know how tablecloths, people like fold them and stuff them in drawers and put them all over the house? Grab an armoire and actually put your table linens in them. And so I hang my table linens in an armoire. It's kind of adjacent to my dining space. And then in the drawers below, I put my napkins and my table runners. And so this whole armoire is just purposed for table linens.
I love that. That's such a great idea. Okay, boosting pantry space.
Okay,
that's the next one, right?
Yes, because a lot of people have their food shoved in their kitchen cabinets, and it's right next to their, you know, dishes and their serving pieces. So you can boost your pantry space using an armoire. And you can put food in there, but also those oversized pieces. What you can't see pictured here is this giant KitchenAid down below. And then as you can see on the top shelf here, there's a griddle. So if you have items that won't fit in your actual cabinets, measure them and then find an armoire that works. So this is actually serving extra household goods and then the food as well. And then you can see how we've made use of vertical space here with those little can organizers and then using the extra little bins. And so you can actually boost that pantry space using your armoire.
That's a great idea because sometimes you just don't have the cabinet space, do you?
Yes, exactly.
Hey, where do you get your armoires? Because you have, I mean, most of those were yours and they're all beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I found them lots of different places, furniture stores, but even online marketplaces is a great way to go. And then lastly here, I wanted to show this last picture. I do have a linen closet because I found in my floor plan upstairs, there was no linen closet. So I just used this pretty little narrow cabinet and I created a linen closet in the master bedroom. And you can do that. You can just tuck an armoire here and there and create extra storage. And like I said, my kids love it because they have an art center. I love it. I can put my teacups and my linens. And it's just a great way to get organized and make it beautiful.
I love it. Vicki, as always, you make function fun and fancy. Thank you so much for coming in with these great ideas.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.